If you're looking to monetize your online platforms and boost your income, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll unveil the top 12 affiliate networks you should consider joining in 2023. These networks offer a range of opportunities to partner with trusted brands and earn commissions, so let's dive right in. Commission Factory. Our first affiliate network on the list is Commission Factory. With over 800 advertisers to choose from, it's perfect for publishers in the retail industry. The platform provides real-time statistics and offers simple yet feature-rich software. Plus, with weekly payouts and multiple payment options like wire transfer, PayPal, and prepaid MasterCard, Commission Factory has everything you need to succeed. Amazon Associates. Next up, we have Amazon Associates, a powerhouse in the affiliate marketing world since 1996. Joining Amazon Associates gives you access to a massive catalog of physical and digital products. The user-friendly interface and quick sign-up process make it a favorite among publishers. Not only can you earn commissions on the products you promote, but also on any purchases made by your audience within 24 hours. Amazon Associates offers various payment options, including direct deposit and Amazon gift certificates. Avangate Affiliate Network. Moving on to the Avangate Affiliate Network, this platform specializes in connecting publishers with digital product merchants. With a wide range of software companies to partner with, Avangate offers attractive commission rates starting at 25%. While their reporting tools are limited, the network provides payment options like wire transfer, PayPal, and check. Awin, one of the largest affiliate programs out there, offers a staggering 15,000 advertisers and 210,000 active publishers. With Awin, you can access a diverse range of businesses, from travel and fashion to finance and e-commerce. Keep in mind that each program within Awin requires a separate application, and there is an application fee involved. The average commission rate on Awin is around 5%, and they offer multiple payment options. CJ Affiliate. Formerly known as Commission Junction, CJ Affiliate has been a powerhouse in affiliate marketing since 1998. With a rich history and over 3,000 merchants, CJ Affiliate helps affiliate marketers earn billions of dollars annually. The network offers real-time reporting tools and pays out commissions within 20 days of the end of the month. Payment options include direct deposit, check, and Payoneer for international affiliates. ClickBank. ClickBank, established in 1998, focuses on digital information products and product launches. With over 6 million affiliate products, it's a haven for email marketers. ClickBank offers high commission rates, but it's crucial to research the products you promote. The platform provides flexible payment options, and the payout schedule depends on your preference. eBay Partner Network. The eBay Partner Network, although relatively young compared to others on our list, is backed by the trusted eBay network. With access to billions of listings, you can promote a wide range of physical products to your audience. Commission rates vary based on the product category, and eBay Partner Network pays out monthly as long as your earnings reach the $10 threshold. Flex Offers. Established in 2008, Flex Offers has become one of the most popular affiliate networks. With over 12,000 merchants across multiple categories and countries, Flex Offers offers a wide variety of products and services. The network assigns each publisher a dedicated affiliate manager for support, and top earners can receive their commissions within 7 days. Payment options include check, direct deposit, and PayPal. JVZoo. JVZoo is a top affiliate network with a focus on digital products, particularly in marketing, tech, and artificial intelligence fields. With an intuitive dashboard and automatic payments, JVZoo makes it easy for affiliates to navigate the platform. Commission rates vary depending on the merchant, and payout schedules are flexible based on your preferences. Peerfly. Peerfly is a fast-growing affiliate network that provides access to a wide range of products and services. With an easy-to-navigate user interface, Peerfly partners with brands like Target, Fiverr, UGG, and CBS. Keep in mind that setting up accounts for each company can be time-consuming. Peerfly offers multiple payment options, including PayPal, Payoneer, direct deposit, and postal check. Rakuten Marketing. Formerly known as LinkShare, Rakuten Marketing is a great choice for bloggers in the e-commerce space. With leading brands such as Walmart, Sephora, and New Balance, Rakuten Marketing offers a reliable affiliate program. Their technology and reporting system are top-notch, making it easier for publishers to track their performance. Commission rates vary depending on the advertiser, and payment options include check, direct deposit, and PayPal. ShareAsale. Last but not least, we have ShareAsale, an affiliate network based in Chicago. ShareAsale represents over 1,000 big-name merchants and influencers, offering access to a diverse range of products in categories such as home and garden, fashion, green products, and business. Commission rates vary depending on the merchant, and you can collect your commissions after reaching the $50 threshold. And there you have it, the top 12 affiliate networks to consider joining in 2023. Each network offers unique features and benefits, so choose the one that aligns best with your niche and goals. Remember to research and consider specific requirements and offerings before signing up. We wish you the best of luck on your affiliate marketing journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more valuable content. Until next time.